Explore 30 plus expert curated living room and kitchen designs created by real human designers, not AI mood boards. Let's start with living rooms. The living room is the heart of the home. It's where families come together, guests are welcomed, and memories are created. In some of these designs, you will see warm, earthy tones like beige, walnut brown, and soft lighting, creating a calm and premium atmosphere. These colors don't just look good. Psychology says they help reduce stress and create comfort. In other spaces, you will notice bold and modern palettes, charcoal grey, matte black, and clean white contrasts, giving a strong urban contemporary feel. What makes us special is not just aesthetics but also flow and functionality. Furniture is placed in a way that movement feels natural and the space remains clean and uncluttered. Now let's talk about kitchens. A kitchen is not just a cooking space. It is an energy zone of the home. According to Vastu principles, the ideal direction for a kitchen is the southeast, and warm colors like red, orange, or earthy tones are often used in balance to enhance positive energy. In this video, you will also see modern modular kitchens where storage is smart, counters are clean, and every inch of space is used efficiently. Some kitchens feature matte finish cabinets with handle-less designs, while others use glossy surfaces that reflect light and make the space feel bigger and brighter. Another growing trend is the open kitchen concept. In modern Indian homes, kitchens are becoming more connected to living spaces because lifestyles are more social now. Cooking is no longer an isolated activity. Lighting plays a very important role here. Warm white lighting makes living rooms feel cozy and inviting, while bright white task lighting in kitchens improves focus, visibility, and safety. Materials are another key aspect. In this video, you will find durable quartz countertops, moisture-resistant plywood, and high-quality laminates, ensuring both beauty and long-lasting performance. Because interior design is not just about how a space looks, it's about how it works over time. A well-designed mood, colors, textures, lighting, and layout, everything comes together to create harmony. Some spaces are minimal, where less is truly more, and some are layered and rich, where textures and accents create depth and personality. But the most important thing is this: every home is different. Every family is different, and therefore, every design should be unique. That is the philosophy we follow, where design is not just a product, but an experience. So as you watch these 30 plus living rooms and kitchens, don't just look at furniture or colors. Try to feel the lifestyle behind each space. Because at the end of the day, a home is not just built, it is felt.